Introduction. Generox. Generox motorcycle disc locks are positioned as a compact and anti-theft solution for securing a wide range of two-wheelers, including motorcycles and scooters. These locks are designed to deter opportunistic theft by immobilizing the vehicle's wheel. Lever up your security with disc lock. Anti-theft with Core Safe and worry-free. If you are looking for a simple, budget-conscious way to add a layer of security, the Generox disc lock fits that profile. Lock it 1 second. Keyless press lock. Easy and fast without keys. Press the lock head to quickly lock. Lock body waterproof and not easy to rust. Lock body seamless forging. Outer lock body chromatal design waterproof and not easy to rust.